Hey, stop protecting your image more than you protect your heart. Proverbs 4:23 says, above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. God said above all else, not your phone, not your bank account, not your reputation, your heart, because everything flows from it. You keep wondering why your peace is gone, your joy is leaking, your mind's on fire. It's because you're letting anything access what God said to God. You don't need more noise. You need more discernment. This season, guard your peace like your purpose depends on it, because it does. Follow if you're done letting chaos, living Lent free in your spirit. Comment, guard it, if you're locking your heart down for God. This is spiritual warfare, and you're on the front line. God bless you.